Hello everyone, I am from EME Technologies. Welcome to this channel. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello everyone, my name is Munish Sharma. I'm working as an embedded and automation trainer in EME Technologies. Firstly, I would like to share my experience over here in EME Technologies as a trainer. There are a lot of new hardwares which you can learn in EME Technologies as very new kind of hardwares are introduced in EME Technologies to me also as ADXL, accelerometer, gyro sensor and DTMF module. So these are new hardwares available in market and EME Technologies. So you can learn every hardware in a new way. So you can enhance your coding skills in EME Technologies. There is a new hardware Node MCU, Wi-Fi module Node MCU. You can learn it for Lua programming and Arduino IDE. It is a open source firmware, so you can do home automation. As home automation is a very new concept to learn and implement it at your home also. So it is very widely used all over the world, and IoT. It is also based on Internet of Things. As you all know about that, it is also a good thing to learn about that. So my interview was taken by MD sir, Mr. Sunil Bhutani. He is a very good person as he guided me in every phase of our training. There is a very good and friendly atmosphere over here to work in EME Technologies, and every employee is very friendly and you can say very cooperative in every manner, so that we can do our work efficiently. Students have a great opportunity over here to learn not only the technical part but also non-technical part, as HR interviews and mock sessions are also conducted over here. So you can enhance your non-technical part also, as you all have to go for a job after your training, and interview is the main part of that. So I would like to thank Mr. Sunil Bhutani, the MD of EME Technologies, and our EME family. Thank you.